Hi, my name is Bill de Blasio. I live in Huntington Station, New York. I'd had a lot of proposals, probably every solar company around knocked on my door, and you guys came highly recommended. I did my research. The SUNation rep that came was probably, out of all the people that came and did proposals, he was the most knowledgeable, he was the most patient. Probably took us 6-8 months to actually sign the paperwork, and he stuck with us. The install was actually in the summer of 2019, so I'm coming up on 5 years. And I've never had an electric bill higher than $17. I would recommend getting some estimates from other people, but meet with the sales team, and SUNation will probably show you why they're the best company that will take care of your needs. I'm a car show guy. They show up at the car shows, and they have like a little tent in a booth, and they have people there willing to answer questions. They're just very present on Long Island, and that's a big positive for me too, that they seem to give back to the community. I will continue to refer SUNation to everybody. I've been very impressed and very happy to be a SUNation customer.